Alright, finally on to the unit test of Unit 4. Alright, consider the following. Okay, so as x approaches infinity, we can ignore this, we can also ignore this, because it would just make the fraction smaller. Let me make sure. As x approaches, if x is like 1,000, this is gonna be like negative 4,000. This would be like 800, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9 because of these three. So this is gonna be basically have no value, so it's 0. Should be 0 for both. Nice. Okay, just factor both. 4x minus 8 over x plus 8x minus 8, which is the same thing. Wait. So we can get rid of this and this. So 8 can be a removable discontinuity. So it should only be 4 over x plus 8. 4 over x plus 8. 4 over x plus 8. And it shouldn't be negative 8 as well. Oh, I didn't press it. Negative 8. Because of this value here too. Okay, so x squared plus 12x. Okay, so since I only see a value in the denominator, it can only be a vertical asymptote. Okay, so I'll factor this. X plus 6. So it can be a vertical asymptote of negative 6, or it can be a removable discontinuity. So x negative 6. This looks good. It's B so far. Negative 6. Oh wait, it has to be a vertical asymptote, because if it were like x plus 6, x minus 6, one of the vertical asymptotes could be 6, and the other could be a removable discontinuity. So one of them has to be a vertical asymptote. So x equals negative 6 has to be a vertical asymptote. So it should be B. If I am not, wait, did I factor it wrong? It should be B. Let me make sure. It's fx. Is there anything else? X minus negative 6. This is also removable discontinuity. And this is also a vertical asymptote at negative 6. This is tricky. Let me think about this. Negative 6. Oh, wait. Oh, but there's also a vertical asymptote at 4. So it's not B. It's only negative 6. Nothing else. Because if it was B, then it's x plus 6, x minus 4. And we only see x plus 6. So it has to be D. Nice. Okay, so we just factor the denominators. So 8x, x plus 7, x plus 7, x minus 7, difference of 2 squares, plus 5, and x minus 3, x plus 3, x minus 7, x plus 3, right? Because negative 7 times 3 is negative 21. Negative 7 plus 3 is negative 4. That's correct. So the least common multiple, you you put x plus 3 on this side and x plus 7 on this side. But you also have, whatever you do to the denominator, you have to do to the numerator. Put that there too, and just solve it normally. So 8x times x plus 3, that is 8x squared plus 24x. You add 5 times x is 5, just 5x. 5 times 7 is 35. And put whatever here in the bottom. This can be simplified into 8x squared plus 29x plus 35 when combining like terms. So this is the numerator and this is the denominator of the solution. So 8x squared plus 29x plus 35 over x minus 7, x plus 3, x plus 7. Nice. Okay, what's the product in lowest terms? I'll just factor the numerators and denominators first. So negative 3, x minus 7, and negative 2, x plus 2, times x plus 4, x minus 4, difference of 2 squares again, and x minus 7. So it can't be, the solutions can't be negative 2 because of this term, and it can't be 7 because of this term. Okay, so negative 2, can't be negative 2 or 7. Negative 2 or 7, and just solve. Get rid of this, and so it's negative 3, x plus 4, x minus 4, over negative 2, x plus 2. That should be it. Negative 3, I'll put multiple parentheses, negative 3, x plus 4, and also I'm putting multiple parentheses so it can recognize as a fraction, x minus 4, another parentheses, right? Yeah, and I scroll over, yep, negative 2, x plus 2, x plus 2. Nice. Okay, at each of the select whether the Q has 0 vertical asymptote or removable discontinuity. So I'll factor the bottom first, x plus 8, and then what two factors, x minus 9 and x minus 1, right? Because negative 9 times negative 1 is 9, and negative 9 plus negative 1 is negative 10. So right off the bat, the 0 is negative 8 because of this term, x plus 8 equals 0. You solve for 8, it's negative 8, so this is the 0. The vertical asymptotes are 9 and 1. There are no removable discontinuities because there are no shared terms between the numerator and the denominator. Okay, so you factor both the numerator and the denominator. You get and then x plus 3, x plus 2, I believe. And so x can't be equal to negative 3 because of this term, and x can't be equal to negative 2 because of this term. So negative 3 and negative 2 out of the solution. So you solve, you get 2x over x plus 3. 2x over x plus 3. Nice. Okay, so first, like always, you factor the denominator and numerator. So x squared minus 3x minus 18, you can factor that into x minus 6, x plus 3, right? Because negative 6 times 3 equals negative 18. Negative 3 plus 3 is negative 3. Minus 5, x plus 3, I believe. Because 3 times 3 is 9, 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay, and then you find the least common multiple. I can add an x plus 3 here. Multiply x plus 3 here and an x minus 6 here. and whatever you do to the denominator, you have to do to the numerator. So you put these here too. And then I can make this positive and make this negative. So 2x squared plus 6x minus 5x plus 30 over all this gibberish. So it's when you combine like terms, it's 2x squared plus x plus 30 over all this gibberish. So 2x squared plus x plus 30 over all of that gibberish. X minus 6, x plus 3, and I could just put the squared because it's 2x plus 3's. Okay, last question. Again, factor, again, x plus 4, x minus 4, x minus 2, by x plus 4, x minus 1, because x plus 4, x minus 1, because 4 times negative 1 is negative 4, and 4 minus 1 is 3, and x minus 8 can't be simplified. X can't be equal to 2 because of this term, x can't be equal to 8 because of this term, and x can't be equal to negative 4 and positive 1 because of these terms, and it's division. So 2, 8, negative 4, 1. 2, 8, negative 4, 1. So in this case, it's everything. Again, you just solve it. X plus 4, x minus 4, over x minus 2. You flip it, times x minus 8, x plus 4, x minus 1. This goes away, this goes away. So it's x minus 4, x minus 8 over x minus 2, x minus 1. So x minus 4, x minus 8, double parentheses for it's recognized as a fraction, and x minus 2, x minus 1. And we are done. Alright, that is the unit test for Unit 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units left. 35% done with Precalc.